Okay, guys, this is the ostrich.
There's a pig.
Pig is walking on a
And here's, they call it a ray. It's like an ostrich, but it's just a different name.
different name.
Watch
of
it.
ox. The piggy. Piggy.
Look.
It's an ostrich.
It's like an ostrich.
But what does it do to you?
Nothing.
Bite
It'll,
you?
can do, yeah.
They kind of
Oh, there's the little piggy. Hello, piggy.
There's two pigs and it is.
And poor cow, Moo Moo.
I want a milk.
You want to milk the cows? And there's the pigs over there, look.
So hot.
It's very hot today, isn't it, buddy?
Wait, these
Chickens.
lay eggs.
All chicken lay eggs.
I know.
There's cows. And there's the Thai cow over there. This is the Frisian cow, if I'm correct, the black and white one. Called Frisians.
I think I'm correct that the cows are. What's over here?
Nothing there, just dirt. Alright, let's see what else.
What's in there? No,
There used to be a horse for horses
there's
here.
no horse in there.
No. Alright, I'm gonna press pause. And we're still here.
Just pause the video. That is on.
You don't need to tell them we paused it.
I mean, we teleport.
Okay, we can go to the show in a few minutes, yeah? In a half an hour. Let's see what's up here. We're too late for the show anyway, buddy.
See in the statue?
Do you want to go in there, no?
No, it's nothing.
Okay, let's go back this way. Look.